Hello and welcome to our instructional video on how to reduce the rational expression 2x squared plus 6x divided by 4x to its lowest terms. In this video, we will go through step by step on how to simplify the expression so that it is in its simplest form. Let's get started. First, examine the given rational expression 2x squared plus 6x divided by 4x. Notice that both the numerator and the denominator have common factors. The numerator is 2x squared plus 6x. Start by factoring out the greatest common factor from the numerator, which is 2x. This changes the expression to 2x times x plus 3 divided by 4x. Second, observe that the expression now is 2x times x plus 3 divided by 4x. Notice that the factor 2x in the numerator and the factor 4x in the denominator have common elements that can be simplified. Specifically, both share the factor x in the numerator and the denominator, so we can cancel out the x in the numerator with the x in the denominator. This leaves us with 2 times x plus 3 divided by 4. Because 2 and 4 also have a common factor, simplify by dividing both by 2. This results in the expression x plus 3 divided by 2. Therefore, the simplified form of the rational expression is x plus 3 divided by 2. This is the final step. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped.